Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your equity research with Goldman Sachs, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your equity research with Goldman Sachs, begin by accessing the Goldman Sachs research platform. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the research section of the platform. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. Identify the specific equity research report you wish to reset. Click on the report to view its detailed analysis. Review the key insights and conclusions presented in the report. If necessary, take notes on any important data points. Locate the Reset option, typically found within the Reports menu. Click on the Reset button to initiate the process. A confirmation prompt may appear. Confirm your choice by selecting Yes or Confirm. After resetting, the report reassess any changes or updated information presented. Consider comparing the new findings with your previous notes. If needed, consult additional resources or reports for a more comprehensive view. Keep track of ongoing updates provided by Goldman Sachs. Regularly review the newer versions of the report for evolving insights. Maintain an organized repository of your equity research documents. Utilize the search function for quick access to specific topics. Stay informed about market trends that may influence your findings. Leverage the available tools on the platform to analyze data. Revisit the report periodically to stay aligned with market conditions. Make adjustments to your investment strategy as needed based on your research. Engage with other professionals for discussions to gain further perspectives. Adopt a systematic approach to your research to enhance effectiveness. Continue refining your understanding of the market over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.